In the courtyard ahead, a deadly intruder waits, an Indian cobra. Hood flared, poised to strike. It watches the kittens approach. In the hair-raising game of tag, the young leopard's lightning speed proves more than a match for the slow-striking cobra. Only if the snake gets a firm bite can it inject the deadly venom. And the cub is both too big and too quick to let the cobra make use of its fangs. The mother could easily kill the snake, but she knows the cub's instant reflexes will keep it from harm. Like all cold-blooded animals, the snake lacks endurance, and the quickness of the persistent cubs soon wears it down. With the contest over, the male quickly loses interest, but the female strikes a few parting blows.